Whoa, so much snow. This is Subaru weather.
There's much to do and little time. What should we do with all this snow? I know, goddammit! Wipe it off! Siz buz gibi bro. Vallahi bro buz gibi. Bildin mi Pati? Huh? Maybe I should start the car. Oh. It's very nice. Brush like normal people?
Yes, I have.
What do you mean you have?
I have a brush in the trunk.
Fucking idiot. I'm almost done and you say you have it now?
Well, you didn't ask me earlier.
Are you a dumbass? I'm asking you now.
You can have it. It's in the trunk. I can open it for you.
Much obliged. Thank you very much.
Come on, mate.
I'm almost done.
Find a brush there?
Are you fucking kidding me?
I had brush. I didn't know I had a brush.
You didn't have, you had a brush?
And yeah. They don't look so good, but they will do the job. I'm getting used to this. This car is going to be so ugly. So fucking ugly, man. This is disgusting, man. Oh, fuck. It's time to hit the road. Let's do some skids the Subaru way.
All done?
Yeah, we're all done. Thanks for helping. That was very, very nice of you.
That's cool, man.
I appreciate your help. Why did I call? Why did I even call you?
Alright, but you know why I'm here?
No.
I want to drift.
You want to drift?
Yeah, are we gonna drift now?
Yes, we are going to drift now.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, man.